natin, sandali daw. So ito pala guys, dinala niya kami dito sa Bali, yung ano, gawaan ng mga batik. So titignan lang natin, yung dami. Okay. Hello. How are you? Okay. Sige. Yeah, live there. Hello, morning.
Where are you from?
Wag na.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
Yeah.
Mangku. Swastiastu mangku. Kena mangku.
So, ito pala yung gawaan nila ng batik. Tingnan natin Ayun, nagpipaint sila guys. So, wow.
Batik.
Smells good. Yeah, look at that. Incense?
This one wax.
A wax, okay.
Yeah, this one the first is get a pencil, the last pencil and put a wax.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the last the wax and put a color, dyeing the color.
Yeah.
And the block the color wax and put a color one.
You can
Yeah.
request for your own design if you
Design,
want.
you request the her.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Because the design imagination only.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that,
And the
those
white
butts.
t-shirt, you can request
Mga
here,
paniki.
design here, white t-shirt. Just 5 minutes, I finish painting.
Yeah.
So this is wax.
Yeah, from 3 bags.
So all of those are there.
Ang galing niya guys, very artistic. Ganda.
And this one, only one bag.
Hanapin sila Ito pa, sa patong galing na to. Galing no? Kinukulayan niya na lang. Pero na-designan niya ng gano'n. Ganda. Galing naman lang. Artistic. Ano naman yun? What about that?
That's the weaving.
Oh, they're
Weaving.
weaving. So they're making one cloth? Okay.
This one already designed. You can see.
Oh, wow.
Be careful of it.
Yeah. Oh, good. Ito pala yung gawaan nila ng batik. Original. Halika, tignan natin magkano. Yan. Dito tayo. Pasok daw tayo dito.
Ito yung original na batik factory. Dito talaga ginagawa yung mga batik. Kaya medyo napabili kami kasi bihira ka lang makakapunta rito sa... Ito na yung pinaka-factory talaga. Pinaka-factory. Ayan. Dinaan kami dito ng yung grab na naanuhan namin. Na hire namin. So, ayan. Ito raw ang factory ng silver. Dito ginagawa lahat yung mga silver jewelries.
It's a big. I've been have customer is